To make video like Fern AI, go to Fern channel and take a screenshot that you're going to copy of the Fern video. So take a screenshot of the Fern channel, the video that I'm going to make. Then go to Google AI Studio, then upload your screenshot. After uploading the screenshot, give me this prompt of this image. So type, give me this image prompt. Click run. So after getting the prompt, I'm just going to copy it. And to make the image and the video, we're going to go to Whisk AI and click on this enter tool. And after that, I'm just going to paste the prompt here and choose the aspect ratio 16:9 and click generate, and it will start to generate my images here. Now, as you can see, I got two images here, which both of them are looking good. So for example, I'm just going to use this image and click on animate. Now I just have to give a command what type of video animation that you want. So I'm just going to give a simple prompt like a cinematic video movement here. So I just give a simple prompt here. The person is using the laptop orbit left camera movement. Click send and it will start to create my video. So I just have to wait for 1 or 2 minutes to create the video here. Now you can create this type of video also in Flow, but I'm showing how to use the Whisk AI because right now it's free for me, and I also have some credit in Flow, but you cannot use the frames to video with VO3. You have to get the VO2 first, and right now I do not have the Pro version here. So you need to get the Pro account to create this type of video. And also, if you don't know how to create voiceover for this type of video, you can watch this video. I have already shown you how you can create unlimited AI voice with this using the Google AI Studio. So go ahead and watch this video. You will know how to create AI voice for unlimited and free. So our video has been ready. Let's play the video. So as you can see, our video has been created and it gives a cinematic camera movement here, and also the video is perfect here. So you can use this on your documentary like 3D video that you are going to create. So you're going to use the every time and make video with Whisk AI. So you can also create images in Whisk AI and also create videos in Whisk AI. So it gives only 5 generation per month, but if you get the Pro account, you will get more generation and you can create videos just like the Fern AI. So you just need to copy and paste and use your own channel to upload videos. So that's it guys. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe and thank you for watching.